How to enable or disable keep screen on while viewing on Galaxy S25. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how we can enable or disable the keep screen on while you're looking at your phone on your Galaxy device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Enabling or disabling keep screen on while viewing on Samsung S25 series, it's fairly simple. Now this feature is useful but might also consume more battery because the sensors are always working to see if you're actually looking at the screen. And if you want to enable or disable the settings, you can open up your settings application on your device. Once you open settings, you want to simply go to the option that says display and tap on it. Under display, look for the option screen timeout. And here you can see the option keep screen on while viewing while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. Now, if you do not really need this, you can just turn it off. It consumes more battery, but if you want to enable it, you can simply turn it on if that's the case. And this is how you can enable or disable the keep screen on while viewing feature on Galaxy. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.